All right, today's project is I have a pillow cloth here that goes over the pillow cushion for my couch, and this thing has just got a big nice rip right here. So that's what happens. You have kids, they play with things, and all of a sudden you get nice big tears and everything. So I'm going to get all this stitched together. I got some dual duty XP, just standard thread. Let's see if there's anything. 114M, 125 yards of this good stuff. Hecho in Mexico. Fantastico. Coates and Clark. Okay, and then I got a standard sewing needle, and it is already threaded. I'm going to go ahead and loop this back and forth, and I'll give you a prime example of how I plan on doing this. So hopefully I can record this because I do not have a tripod. Oh, fantastic. Let's see if I can get that like that. So I'm basically going to get these pieces kind of pushed together here, sandwiched. Oh, and then my thread fell off, so that's fantastic too. A little bit of saliva on the thread, stiffen it up, and let's see if I can hit the needle the first time. And I can't. So let's try this again. Boy, this is exciting stuff. Can you think of anything better that you could be doing? Oh, I think I got it. I did. Muy bueno. Look at that. And I just dropped it like an idiot. Alright, let's try to make this happen again. This light is coming in handy here. Nope. I think I got it again. I did. Alright, time to get it tied up. Yeah, general fixing stuff, you know. Doesn't have to be anything super exciting. Just enough to get some things done around the house, especially with all this wonderful COVID stuff going on. It means that I get to do a lot of stuff myself that normally I can have somebody else do. I would have did this myself anyway, so. Okay, and I'm just going to tie it once because I'm not looking for... Okay, got my string, so let's go ahead and work this back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. Let me go ahead and get this started. Alright, back. A little bit of noise going on in the background there. And then, like I said, I'm just going back and forth, just trying to leave little tiny gaps. See, like you see what it's trying to come out on me. Don't you do it, buddy. Let me see if I can. Okay. Alright, so little tiny gaps, like about that much. Very, very tiny gaps. And I'm trying to get enough meat on both ends of the fabric that it doesn't cause an issue here. Because I don't want to sew all this in that. There we go. So I guess I'm double tying this now, since you don't want to do it right the first time. You're going to do it right the second or the third time, I guess, right? At least threading this thing's been a breeze. So I'm going to double tie this because I'm getting sick and tired of it coming off. If anybody's counting, what's that, second or third time now? What's your style? Alright, let's do it. Okay, we got one nice loop right there. And then let's get, I don't even know if you can see this, my sausage hand is probably blocking everything. Alright. Okay. Got some nice stitches going on here. And then, just like I said, trying to make sure. I mean, whoever stitched this at the furniture store didn't do a fantastic job in the first place. Overseas factory work, that was nothing to brag about, that's for sure. By the time I'm done, it can't be any worse than what this is. I actually want to see if I've gotten to the point, gotten to the point where I've attached myself to the other stitch. So I'm just going to kind of work myself back and forth the other direction try to double this up a little bit, and then I want to be able to get this tied. So look at that, it's like I'm a professional at this. What's your style? Apparently my style is anything I can get my hands on here. Well, I think that's stitched up pretty good. Probably stitched a little bit more than it needs to be. I'm just trying to keep overlapping this until I get to the point where. Now for the way I'm going to tie it is I'm going to take this needle. You can see how I poked through here. I kind of got a U shape. Well, I'm going to come through here. And then I'm going to bring that through and then go into the U shape. And then, there we go. So, and then because I'm a complete moron, I'm going to leave that be. And then I might actually run my needle through on this side. Now this is the side I started on where I have loose thread. So let me see if I can go ahead and get this off of here. And since I cannot, or since it's fighting with me, I want this extra thread to go in the garbage. I don't want it to. Okay, there we go. I got it off. Just a little bit of a yank. All right, let's see if we get this bad boy threaded here and then go the other direction. Oh, look at that. First time for a dime. Back in my day, we used to get them 10 at a time for a dime. 10 at a time for a dime. 10 at a time for a dime. Alright, maybe I can be a genius and just tie this once. Alright. Remember, I just need this. Okay, now I'm going to leave a U shape on this side. Yeah, I got enough material. Okay. Alright, and then remember I'm going to, got my little U shape right down here at the bottom. I'm sure somebody out there that does this for a profession. What are you doing? You're doing it all wrong. You're an idiot. Well, probably. But I'm an idiot that. There we go. And I'm not worried about all the excess thread because if you look, there's a lot of it anyway. So let's see how it turned out. Get the pillow stuff back in and see if it just rips right apart. All right. Well, I got the pillow that it came in. And then the edges are all sewn. I don't know what that string's from. That's going in the garbage. The edges are all sewn. And the edges are all sewn. I say it looks like a professional job. Look at that. Fantastico. It's fantastico. Alright, now hopefully it doesn't rip. I'm going to stuff this pillow back up inside here, and this is going to be the part where either things are going to work out or they're just going to completely come apart, and then this video was a complete waste of time, and you wasted your time and I wasted my time. So let's find out how this is going to work. I'm trying to be fairly gentle about this, but it's, I don't know. I put enough stitching in here so it should hold. It's just a matter if those little areas I tied up are going to hold or not. And I'm sure what the use this pillow is getting, that this is going to all rip up again. It's just a matter of time. I don't know why they put such a big... Do you notice the tag? Big tag. If I made pillows, I wouldn't put a big tag like that. I'd put a little digital barcode somewhere, a little tiny tag somewhere. I wouldn't put that big of a tag like that. Stupid idea. Stupid factories. Get stupid stuff. Okay. Get all that stuff up in there. Alright. Check it out. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Oh my gosh, that's like a professional did it. Look at that. Can't even tell. Can't even tell. I can't even tell. I don't even know where I stitched it. Wow, came out really, really good. Should be proud of ourselves. Job done.